Hey guys, welcome one more day to Vidriokar outer glass replacement in Irving, Texas. Today we're replacing the windshield on this one, 2020 Santa Fe Hyundai. We're gonna put the glass on because it's broken. So remember, this one is the same like the other Santa Fe's. Nothing changed except for maybe the style, the moldings, and the bracket for the lane departures. But remember, you have some question about the removal, the the panels or covers. Just take a look at the new glass and you will see what's going on. Okay, so let's start doing a very stripped couple parts because I was just charging my camera. So remember, the same covers, the same styles, clips, the same like the other Santa Fe's. The only maybe we don't have is those ugly clips on the bottom, so that's a good thing. Alright, so but it's the same thing, so nothing changed here. I already covered the corners on the hood because I don't want to scratch with when you pull in the moldings, you know, so that's why. Alright, the plug, you know, the splinter, no problems. Yeah, I like more this one than the other one. I already get my glass clean. I put my all my stuff, but the top molding has to be used PU Jam 7 from Marcy, so I'm gonna use that one. You see, the same style. Let's go inside. Remember, like the venue we did before, the 2020, the same kind of styles, brackets and hooks and clips, no big deal. So let's go inside, and it's the same thing. Tomorrow I have another one, Palladium 2020, but today the customer didn't shop, so it will be tomorrow. So we're gonna open the cover, same. Remember, you got clips right here in this part and behind here in this part. Okay, so let me just open a little bit here, down, and that's all. Remember, you gotta go down a little bit. Okay, don't pull this way or you're gonna break these guys. All right, so as you see, really simple design. Okay, so we don't have no big deals with these Santa Fe's 2020s. And for 21s, I don't think it's gonna change too much, but who knows. I remember in the departure, hooks, clips, no big deal. Remember, protect your cameras with the Ziploc bag or a glove, whatever you want to do. Don't touch the lane for any reason. Let me see, I think I have a little bag of this guys for my 315. I love this guy, guys. You have to put some clips on, you know, for the Hondas. That guy is nice. You can put those clips on better than the epoxy glue you find in the stores. And that's all. I like this bag. It's more shorter. Well, some big are more bigger, but this one is nice. Okay, so finish the inside and outside. Now let's go with the molding to see what's going on. Okay. All right, let's gonna start. Check it out. Remember, the other ones we use the fingers, or we can open the molding to see a couple of scratches here. Not a big deal. Remember, sometimes it's hooking on the bottom here, pushing it up. The same style. Use the clip. You can do this. Check it out. Check it out. You see that? And that's all. You feel you don't gonna do like that, just open with the screwdriver, but not screwdriver, maybe plastic bars or pry bars. Remember, you're gonna push them that way like this. Alright, open it, and you see that move? Now, check it out. And that's all. Okay, it's because it's really hot, so the moldings, they are easy. If it's more winter time, what I do is open it with the little pry bar, you know, beside, slowly, just because it's hot. I have the advantage. Now let's go inside and we're gonna work with the mangoes today. Firewall on the bottom, so we don't have any supporting in this area. So what we're gonna do is you can cut some daubers and do it, or if you want, you can use the same. You have an extra an extra insert tool, and after that just set your line. Okay, you will see how long I'm explaining setting the core and how long it's gonna be. You can go more faster. Now if you want to pass for the second speed, it's better. All right, but if I go slowly, guys, for the gravity stop. Remember, we gotta just back a little bit just to close the gate, and we're gonna move all the way here, right here. Alright, sliding a little bit because my suction cup was right here on the crack, making the air coming up a little bit, but not much. Alright. Make sure we don't catch anything. That's we're gonna stop. That's the gravity stops behind me, right there. Now this guy, move it over here. Gravity stop, remember? There you go. Remember, you can reduce the speed a little bit when you go in this area. This one you can guide right there if you want. Before I finish the cut, I'm going to secure the glass because I don't want to lose the position for using my quick set. And that's it. Okay guys, next one I'm gonna clean the whole thing and you will see nothing moved. Okay, so let's put this guy here. Remember, I'm not promoting nobody, okay? You just show you my tools today. Alright, so let me get my quick set right here. Alright, see, I got the glue for the molding and it's hot. Right, and that's all guys. Okay, so easy and fast. Okay guys, so now I want to put the molding on top. Remember, you saw the Subaru Crosstrek, we did the molding, so we're doing the same thing. You can use a marker, but remember you need to check it out. If it's a water marker, don't use something very strong like an oil, because you can get problems with the urethane or the products you're using, like a primers. Remember, we cannot use any products there. They are not good for the primers or urethane, so that's why our water markers are better, because you can remove with water. But I use these primer sticks. I got the mark already here, so but the mark for my molding is here. So what I'm doing is follow only the line like that all the way here, like this, and keep going to the other molding, the other dots right here, right there. So what I'm doing is set my PUN7 just out of the line right here, and it's gonna be completely straight. Okay guys, so cut the video here. I'm gonna put the molding on, prime it, wait 5 minutes. I'm just gonna clean here, lamination, clean it up, and I think this guy been replaced. You see the glue? Maybe not, maybe it does. I don't see this one from the factory, but it's okay. Okay guys, so see you next shot. I'm gonna just get this ready, and okay guys, so we're ready to set the windshield, and we finished. Okay, let's go. It's a little windy today, but not too much. Okay, so let me set this guy right there. Let's go in, find the VIN number, and let it go, and let it go. Remember, just find a little distance between the molding, and that's all. Whew, lunchtime. Around here's a lot of restaurants, so let's see if we're gonna be busy, because this place was dead. Alright guys, and the molding. And that's all guys. Okay, same distance here, the molding, and we finished. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one, because we are busy today. So thank you so much guys. Alright, so I just see this one 2020 Santa Fe. It's really easy, simple, no big deal. VIN number, all is clean, no mess inside, nothing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. One more time, I appreciate everybody support me. Just give a like. You don't give me a like, I don't care. Really, I'm not here for likes. It's just to share my job and prove everyone a glassman always do the job. Alright, thank you guys. See you next shot.